Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I'm going to discuss the list method. Actually, there are different type of list method which are applicable. As you can observe, these are the checklist of different type of list method. As you already know that list, all the type of list we can say list are mutable. Okay, list are mutable because we can change the element, we can delete the element, it is possible to add the element, it is possible to remove the element. So all the type of list which are mutable. Okay, we can write list are all the type of list are mutable. As you can observe, list methods are appending, extend, insert, remove, pop, index, then count, sort, reverse, copy, min, max, sum. These are the different type of list method. So I would like to discuss individually. So we'll have the discussion of different type of list method with the help of some examples so that you will be understanding the concept very clearly. First and the foremost, I would like to go for appending. What do you mean by append? The main purpose of append is to add an item to the end of the list. So what is an item? The elements which are present in the list is known as item. For example, here we have a list. The items are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 items. So now what I wanted to do is I just wanted to add one extra item. That is namely 4. 4 is an extra item. I just wanted to add 4 in this particular list. So what I have to do? I need to use the command like my list. We have my list dot append 4. That means already we have 1, 2, 3. Along with that, 4 is going to be added. If I recall my list, then I'll be getting like a complete updated list is 1, 2, 3, 4. So appending operation is easily possible in case of the list. That is why we can say list is mutable. Okay, it can be changed. Now there is another operation or another method that is generally called extend. It is similar to append only. It appends the elements of iterable or iterable. You can call iterable. That means it is possible to merge another list. Suppose we have the original list is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 items available. But I just wanted to add one more list. What is the name of the list? Like a new list. I did not give any name. Like I have mentioned the elements or items. 4, 5, 6 are the items. What I wanted to do, I just wanted to add the new a new list. That is 4, 5, 6. That is the new list. I just wanted to add the new list with the previous list. What is the previous list? My list is the previous one. So I just wanted to add 4, 5, 6 along with the previous list. So what command I have to use, what method I have to use? I need to use extend. So my list dot extend 4, 5, 6. Then ultimately, if you call my list once again, then I'll be getting new list. What is a new list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me how many items are there? There are 6 items. How it is happened? Because I have used dot extend. I'm using extend here. Therefore, the list has been updated. So I could append the elements of an iterable to the end of the list. Remember that it will be adding at the end of the list. So hope the concept is clear to everybody. This is very important. Extending and appending. Okay. Almost similar, but in case of extending, I'm adding with the one more list. So let me continue further. So moving ahead, insert. What is the meaning of insert? Insert an item at a specified index in the list. Okay, you know index. Index indicates the position. Like now look at the position of 1, 0. Look at the position of 2. That is 1. Look at the position of 3, 2. Like that. That is called indexing. So we have the list, namely like my list 1, 2, 3. These are the items. So my list dot insert 1, 4. Okay, my list dot insert 1, 4. What is going to happen? Here, if I do this operation, okay, if I do this operation, I'll be getting the new list as 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what exactly happening. So we have another example like spam is one of the list, one of the new list, cat, dog, bat, all are like string data type. Okay, now what I want to do is spam dot I need to insert 1 comma chicken. So what I'm going to do? So first position is dog only, right? Okay, first position is dog. As per the previous list, namely spam, the first element is dog, second element is bat, zeroth element is cat. But what I'm going to do is, insert 1 comma chicken. So like first position, I just wanted to add chicken. So cat. Now what could be the first position? Chicken. Then dog, bat. Okay, I think it's clear to everybody. In the earlier case, what happened? The first position I require 4. So like 4 is going to be added here. I think it's clear to everybody. Let me continue the discussion. Now we need to learn about new type of method that is called remove. How remove work? Okay, how does the remove method operate? The remove, it removes the first occurrence of the specified item from the list, removing the value from the list. That is actually possible using remove. For example, we are learning how to use remove method. We have the list called 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Correct. I just wanted to remove, like, see, if I do like this, remove 2. So what will happen? The new list will be like 1, 3, 2. So I just wanted to remove. Okay, I wanted to remove. So the new list will be 1, 3, 2. So I can easily remove the items by using the command called remove. Okay, so please make a note of this. This is most important for your exam point of view as well as development of the program related to the list. Okay, now pop. Why pop is required? Need for pop. Pop, it removes and returns the item at a specified index. If no index is provided, it removes and returns the last item. Okay, that these are the two conditions. For example, we are learning about pop. My list is 1, 2, 3. Like I just wanted to use my pop dot pop 1. That means the first index. Where is the first index will be removed. For example, according to the we can say index 0 is equal to 1, index 1 is equal to 2, index 2 is equal to 3. As per this method, I just wanted to see 1 means index 1. Index 1 means 2, right? It has to be removed. It has to be eliminated. Now, what could be the new list? New list should be 1, comma 3. I hope you understood. Yes, this is very simple. This is called a pop. Removing the element according to the index, based on the index. If index is not specified, it will be removed automatically the last element. Another one is called index. Why index is needed? We'll study about index. Returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified item in the list. So we have index. We are studying about the index. So we have the list, namely like my list. There are 4 items available. 1, 2, 3, 2. So I am applying like my list, then index 2. My list, index 2. Like this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. So what about index 2? What about index 2? Index 2 will be, of course, what is index 2? Index 2 will be, so for example, index 2. 2 means item. Okay, if I specify like index 2, that means like I just wanted to know what is the index of the second item called 2. Of course, it is 1 only. So the output is 1. I think it's clear. So look into this particular operation once more so that you will understand the importance of index. I just wanted to continue further. You need to know what is the importance of count. This is one of the popular list method. It returns the number of items that is specified appears in the list. So we are studying about count. That is why I put a hash count. That means we are talking about the count. We have the list called my list. Items are 1, 2, 3, 2. So I just wanted to have like a my list dot count 2. Okay, my list dot count 2. That means the count is 2 only. Correct? Correct, no? So that means output will be 2. My list count of 2. That means, so we can see it returns the number of times the specified item repeats or specified item appears. Look at this. Here you can see the item 2. Item 2 has been repeated twice here. Of course, the result will be 2. So remember that count will identify how many number of times the item is getting repeated. So that is also very essential for some cases. If the list is very large or huge number of repeated items are there, you can directly use the count and you can identify how many number of times the item will be repeated. So let me continue further. So we are going to talk about the sorting. Why sorting is needed? Sort the list ascending order. It is possible to arrange the items in the ascending order. You can use the reverse parameter to sort the descending order. Okay, use reverse for descending order. For example, we are studying about sorts. That is why I put hash sort. That means it's a commenting. So my list, elements are 3, 1, 2. Of course, I will be performing the sort operation, like my list dot sort. If I do in this fashion, I'll be getting 1, 2, 3. That means the items are arranged in the ascending order. So this will be really useful for some situation where the number of list has to be arranged in the sequence. So reverse is just opposite to that of sorting. In reverse, it reverses the order of the element in the list. For example, we have the list called 1, 2, 3. So I just wanted to apply like a my list dot reverse because my list is the name of the old list. So if I do this method, ultimately the result will become 3, 2, 1 because it is been arranged in a reverse fashion or reverse order. So this is regarding the reverse method. Okay. So let me continue. Another one is called copy. Why copy is required? So the purpose of copy is returns a shallow copy of the list. Okay, shallow copy. So here we are actually doing the copy operation. My list is 1, 2, 3. So I just wanted to have like a my list dot copy. If I do this, I'll be performing the shallow copy. There are different type of copy. I'll let you know what are the different type of copy in the forthcoming session. At that time, I can convince you better. Okay. Yeah. So I just wanted to move further. Okay, now I'm talking about the sum. Sum method is used to find the sum of all elements in the list. Element in the sense item, sum of all the items. If you perform this, if you want to use this method, you can directly use sum. Then it will compute the sum of all the items. It works with the numerical elements in the list. If it is like a string, it is not possible. If it is like an integer or any floating data type, it is very easy. So we are just talking about the like a sum method. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just wanted to compute like the total. That means sum of numbers, some numbers. So that what will happen? It will be printing. If I use the function print, then entire sum of the number will be displayed on the screen. Sum of the number will be 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. That means it will add the items present inside the list. So that is a peculiarity. Making sure that all the items are like numbers. Like it may be like integer or floating point, no issues. Next method is max. Why we study max? What is the purpose of max? The max method returns the maximum element in the list. So as you can see, we have the list. So if I use the code like a max numbers, that means from this list, the maximum number will be printed. Let me know what is the maximum number. Maximum number is 25. So 25 will be displayed. So you can use the max. Okay. So it will be really helpful for identify which is the maximum number in a particular list. So next is called minimum. Okay. Why MIN is required? Tell me what is the need for MIN. The MIN method is returns the minimum element of the list. We have the list available here. So if I use like MIN numbers, the thing is the minimum number will be displayed at the output. The minimum value is 3 that is displayed at the output. This is the regarding MIN. Now let me proceed. Let me recall what are the things we discussed in this session. We discussed what is the list method. We need list is mutable. Okay, that is why we need to perform the various methods. We can append, we can extend, we can remove, we can identify the index, we can calculate the minimum, we can calculate the maximum. We can compute the sum, we can do the list in a reverse order, or we can arrange the list in ascending order. We have so many operations can be performed in the list. So it is too flexible. We can say list is purely mutable. You may get one question in the examination that why do you say that list is mutable? Justify it. So you can explain with the list method. Obviously, you can change the entire list. You can remove, you can add anything, whatever you want, you can do it. So that is a summary of the session. You try to practice with help of any one of your interpreter which you are using. I have done Jupyter Notebook. These are the examples I have carried out in Jupyter Notebook. You can try based upon your convenience. If you want, you can try using IDLE or VS Code. It is up to you. So kindly verify it and study how does the list method. These are the suitable examples so that you can understand it, the concept very evidently without any doubts. Hope the session is useful to you. If the session is useful, I request you to like this particular video and share this video to your friends and relatives so that they will also get to explore the basics of list method. So this will be really helpful. One of the most important question for your university exam point of view. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.